Good day, everyone. So today, let me teach you on how to download textbook for free. As you can see here, I am about to buy a textbook titled Calculus Early Transcendental 7th edition. So it is worth $14.97 up to $112.51. So there is also an ebook for this. It is worth $49 here. As you can see, this is the price of the textbook. So let me teach you how to download this for free. So in order to download this for free, kindly just go to the new tab and then kindly click google.com. Now, after that, go back to the Amazon and then just simply copy okay, the whole title of the book that you want to buy or download. So here, this is Calculus Early Transcendental 7th edition. Just simply copy this and then go to Google Chrome, then paste it, and then add file type, file type PDF, and then search. And then you can now see there is a PDF file free, the Calculus Early Transcendental 7th edition that we want to buy a while ago. So like, let's say this one, just click this. And now, as you can see, this is now the textbook of the calculus that you want to buy a while ago. So we have a pre-book or pre-PDF book that we can download and then print it if you want. So you can save a lot of money just in case. So that's it for today and hope this video will help you.